Good morning, Brad Czecholinski here with PHD. We're here at the Automate Show 2025 in Detroit. Today I want to give you a sneak peek of one of our new products, the remote drive. And the remote drive is a unique product. It's really game-changing, cutting-edge in the fact that it's the only product in the world that can provide air on demand as long as you have a 24-volt DC power supply and you have a battery or some sort of DC voltage available. You can move around mobily and still provide pressure up to 90 psi on the fly. So AGVs, AMRs are great applications where you may utilize the product, or something far out in outdoors where you're remote and it's hard to get a compressor nearby and you don't have that voltage or power supply near. The beauty of the product is that it has the ability to provide pressure and vary pressure as a regulator would, and also it can provide the function of a valve as well. And it does that all from one really compact package.